I would have been upset. Oh, I would have been upset. So this guy right here, he messed up earlier. So he messed up right here. Catches up to us. Bumps him. So I know that he's TCR, but I don't want to, yeah. But then, let's see. He goes for the dive again. So this was, I like this dive. I don't mind that one. So that was good. But then this is the slightly questionable part, I think. I don't know. You tell me. So he just went for 2 rough dives already. He's gonna go for 3 in a row now. He's trying to make up his lost spots. Boom. Let's put that sound on my car. And here's the thing, Rob, here's the thing. I was doing so well in this race. So you can tell he's desperate. He was fast, he's in the top, he messed up. Look. And that's way more than a love tap. And that late straight line speed, look at that. And here's what it did to me. Right there during the race, I'm like, oh man, it started messing with my head. This is a nice little battle right here. Ferrari and Ferrari. Oh really? Oh really? It's really like that. Oh really? Is that questionable too? I don't know. The guy left the door wide open. That's a big gap, but why you gotta hit the guy? There's such a big gap there. I would have been upset. Oh, I would have been upset. TCR, love line, I'm gonna report you to Tijni. That's not the TCR way. I'm gonna report you to Tijni. And that was the end of the race. That was the end of the race. Oh. You got teleported, that's why. And then lost to Black Panther. 8th place. Yeah, I'm glad I followed up.